Okay, so the last video for today is about dividing fractions, mixed numbers, and whole numbers. You guys know this. K, C, F. Keep, change, flip. So very literally. Okay, so example 1. 1/4 divided by 8/3. So we keep the first fraction. Keep 1/4. Change. Change what? Change division to multiplication. And then you flip. Go to the inverse. Flip the fraction upside down. So instead of 8/3, it's going to be 3/8. And now it's just multiplying. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 times 8 is 32. And that's it. Okay? Dividing fractions is not tough if you remember keep, change, flip. So let's do another one. Example 2. 1/2 divided by 2. Okay, well, if we do that visually, 1/2, so let's break this into half. So we have half, and we need to break this half into 2 pieces. Okay, so 1/2 divided by 2. So if I divided this into 2, then each person gets 1/4. So let's check it. 1/2 divided by, well, what's 2 the same as? It's important to know that whole numbers are always over an invisible 1. Because think about it, 2 divided by 1 is just 2, so we don't write it. But technically that's the same as 1/2 divided by 2/1. So we keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip. Flip 2/1 to 1/2. And then it's just multiplication. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. So it's 1/4. All right, so try this one on your own. 1/9 divided by 8. Try it on your own and then resume the video. Okay, well, I know that 8 is really the same as 8/1. And I just feel more comfortable if they're both fractions. So now I'm going to keep the first fraction, change the division to multiplication. So keep, change, flip. So flip the fraction upside down. 1 times 1 is 1. 9 times 8, 72. So keep, change, flip, and then it's just multiplying fractions. Now, when you have mixed, no, not example 2. What's wrong with me? When you have mixed numbers, okay, such as 3 3/8 divided by 9. Okay, we just, guys, mixed numbers, whole numbers, but when there's fractions in there, just make them fractions, improper fractions. So, remember you multiply and then add. So you keep the same denominator, keep that 8. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 3 more, 25, 26, 27. So 27/8 divided by 9. What's 9 the same as? 9/1. All right, now we have 2 fractions that we're dividing. So keep, change that division to multiplication, flip. All right, and then you just multiply straight across. So you can simplify, because 9 and 27, you can simplify that instead of simplifying at the end. And honestly, I'm going to do that. because I see that this is going to be a big number. So 9 divided by 9 is 1. 27 divided by 9 is 3. I'd rather simplify now than at the end. 3 times 1 is 3. 8 times 1 is 8. Now, if you don't simplify and you just write 27 over 72, that's fine, or simplify at the end, but we like having our fractions in the simplest form. Okay, so the last one, try it on your own. 4 and 4/5 divided by 1 1/2. Don't forget to change them to improper fractions first. So keep the denominator. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 4 more, so 24/5 divided by, keep the denominator of 2, so 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 more is 3. Okay, so now I can keep change flip. So keep it, change it, flip it. So flip it upside down. I look diagonally. Can I simplify? 2 and 5? No. 3 and 24? Yes. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 times 2, 16, over 5 times 1 is 5. That is an improper fraction, or fraction greater than 1 in simplest form, or you can write it as 5 goes into 16, 5, 10, 15, so 3 whole times with 1 out of 5 left over. But you guys will end up just leaving it like this next year most of the time.